Let's see if I can get WXL39's test. Yes, they're testing right now. My weather radio station.
Any given location. This variability normally more noticeable.
I called it, Mount Holly's lazy. I need you guys to keep it down though, because I can barely hear it though. That's all I need.
The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas. High-tech Steelkill, and in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren.
I'm going to send you this actual, so if you guys have YouTube channel, you can post it.
WXL39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard. Island.
This is so good.
This concludes Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening.